Welcome to the IQPOP YouTube channel. Let's start the quiz. Challenge.
What is the largest planet in our solar system? Earth, Mars, Jupiter. Jupiter. Who wrote the play, Romeo and Juliet? William Wordsworth, William Shakespeare, Charles Dickens. William Shakespeare. What is the capital of France? Berlin, Paris, Madrid. Paris. Which gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen. Carbon dioxide. How many continents are there on Earth? 5, 6, 7. Seven. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Tiger, lion, elephant. Tiger, lion. What is the boiling point of water? 90 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Celsius, 120 degrees Celsius. 100 degrees Celsius. Who invented the light bulb? Alexander Graham Bell, Nikola Tesla, Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison. What is the largest ocean on Earth? Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean. Which planet is known as the red planet? Venus, Mars, Mercury. Mars. What is the longest river in the world? Nile, Amazon, Yangtze. Nile. Which organ pumps blood throughout the body? Brain, heart, liver. Heart. Who painted the Mona Lisa? Vincent van Gogh, Pablo Picasso, Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo da Vinci. What is H2O commonly known as? Salt water, sugar. Water. How many legs does a spider have? 6, 8, 10. 8.
Thanks for watching, and comment your score.